Hey, what's up you guys, back again. I'm going to show you real quick how to remove the metallic trim off of a Ford F-350 door panel. This is a 2016. Let's go check it out. Sometimes if you need to get into here or repaint these, seems like I remember you just push real hard. Again, I got my palm right there on the underside of that lip and just shoved up. There you have it. Pull these clips here. Got a little push button. And it'll pull out. And to get these out, I'm gonna get something skinny down in there and just spread it open. You've got a couple skinny tools. Spread one side open, push up from the bottom and pop this up, and then do it to the other side. Once you get those buttons out, you can paint this thing or swap it out or whatever you need to do. Hope this helped you out. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you back here later. Put it back on, you just snap the wires back in, press it back down.